The Supreme Court has passed the judgment over the petition which was filed by NB. August 3rd is the date which is finalized for the NEET PG exam. The Supreme Court bench under which this petition was heard consisted of Justice Mishra and Justice August Masih. And initially, like, they questioned NB that why the decision when it was passed on May 30th, why you have not taken any action till now, why you want a 2-month delay, why can't you conduct it in July? To which the NB had actually shown them the letter which was given by TCS. Now, this is a question which many aspirants, which many students are having in their mind, like, why can't the exam be done on a weekday? First thing, like, is it necessary that it is done on a Sunday only? No, it can be done on a weekday also, like INICT was done on Saturday. The second question is, like, now that they have, the NB knows that it has to have 900 plus centers for around 2,42,000 students. So they are planning to have a capacity of at least 2,50,000, 2.6, 2.7 तक की capacity को लेकर चल रहे हैं. Because again now the registration window will have to open, and they'll have to do some, they'll have to maybe extend the internship cutoff also, and also the fresh city exam city center application will have to be resubmitted by the students. So all this thing will take time. But many students have this question in mind, like, why they are not doing it on their own? Why do they need a third party TCS? Another thing, Supreme Court has said that you will not postpone it from August 3rd. So ये तो confirm है कि August 3rd को exam होना है. So this gives a good 2 months window to all the aspirants, and it's a good thing that now you got more time to study, more time to work upon your weak subjects, weak topics, and revise them again and again. And also a good thing for all the 2019 pass out students who can who have got these 2 months more for studies. So that's the latest news as of now.